it's still a pretty disparate industry. And I think, I principally work on, my core expertise is probably on the media rights side. So it was really interesting to get some more insight into how data operates within esports, and particularly the challenges that these guys face in how they extract the data that they use.
And how have you found ESI London so far, and why did yourself and both decide to be a part of that?
I think it's been a great event. We've known the ESI guys a while, so we were keen to work with them more closely. I think they've got real trust within the industry. And trust and authenticity are words that are often used when we talk about esports, but they are a very reliable partner, and so a great platform for us to get exposure to the industry.
What are some big goals for yourself or Bird in the esports space over the next 12 months?
Well, we've got a pretty broad esports practice, so we provide advice on regulatory, commercial issues. So that's everything from doping to player contracts to sponsorship, and we do it across a number of our offices. But I think it's probably growing the international profile, so doing more international cross-jurisdictional work.
What was the first game you played, or the first game you remember playing?
The first game I remember playing is, I really want to get this right, I think it's Duke Nukem. I was pretty young. I was too young to be playing Duke Nukem. That's what I can certainly remember.
What are you looking for in the esports space?
I'm interested to see how the journey towards perhaps greater consolidation and sort of, for want of a better phrase, professionalization continues. So will we see leagues not necessarily adopting exactly the same model, but more like the franchise models cropping up more often? And will we see them expanding, growing, and what will happen?
And what's been your favorite esports moment in 2019 so far?
Oof, my favorite esports moment from 2019. I really enjoyed watching the FIFA Worlds. I know it's not necessarily what I set out at the start of 2019 to enjoy, but it hadn't been in my diary, and I came across it, and seeing FIFA on broadcast TV produced to that standard was quite something.
Yeah, why do you like esports so much, and what sort of drove you to go down this sort?
Well, personally, I always loved games, always loved sport, and I think it's actually a very a happy marriage of the two. But professionally, it just throws up some really fascinating issues that take a lot of creative thought to try and resolve. Hi, this is Will at ESI London 2019.